Good day, students. I am Ankit Gupta, your science teacher. Today we will discuss about the velocity time graph. In the last video, we have discussed about the distance time graph. The velocity time graph is the graph here plotted between the velocity of the object and the time taken to complete the journey. This graph indicates the two main important things. First one, the slope of this graph gives the acceleration of the body, and second one, the area under this graph gives the displacement of the body. We have discussed about the first graph, velocity time graph for a body moving with a constant velocity. Here the table between the time and the velocity. Well, time is the 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 seconds, and the velocity of the object is constant in every point of second. Here the graph v taken as a y-axis and the time taken as a x-axis. Time is 0, velocity and the 4 meter per second. Same, time is 2 seconds, velocity 4 meter per second, time is 3, velocity is the 4 meter per second, and the time is the 4, also the velocity is the 4 meter per second. This graph indicates the body will have a constant velocity and 0 acceleration. Then acceleration equal to change the velocity upon time. So change the velocity, 4 minus 4 is a 4, it's 0, and 0 by 4 it's called the 0. So this graph indicates the 0 acceleration and have a parallel line to the time axis. Second one, velocity time graph for a uniform motion is a table between the time and the velocity. Time taken as the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 seconds, and the velocity taken as 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. This indicates the uniform motion of the object. Same, velocity taken as the y-axis and time taken as the x-axis. Time is 0, so velocity of the object is 0. Time is 1 second, then the object velocity is 2, 2 for 4, 3 for 6, 4 for 8 and 5 for 10. And join these dotted line and we have received a straight line. This slope indicates the acceleration, and the area under this slope gives the displacement of the body. Acceleration, change the velocity upon time taken. Change the velocity, final velocity is the 10 meter per second and the initial velocity is the 0 meter per second. Then 10 minus 0, 10, and time taken to complete this journey is the 5 seconds. Same, slope. This is slope. Slope indicates the acceleration, same, OA upon OB. OA upon OB. Same, slope OA. The distance of this 10 and the slope OB is a 5. Then the acceleration is a 2 meter per second. Same, displacement. Displacement, the area of the VT graph, area of the triangle OAB equal to, triangle का area होता है half into base into height. Half, base is the 5 and height is the 10. Then we have find the 25 meter as a displacement in this journey. Next is VT time graph when the velocity of the body decrease uniformly to 0. That means object की जो velocity है वो decrease हो रही है. The time taken t 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 seconds, and the velocity same 10, 8, 6, 2 and last the 0. The object is rest at the 5 second. the velocity same as the y-axis and the time as a x-axis. Time is 0, then the velocity of the object is 10, 1 for 8, 2 for 6, 3 for 4, 2 for 4 and 5 as a 0. And joining these lines we have find a straight line in downward direction. Then the acceleration means slope of AB, and slope of AB equal to OA upon OB, and OA equal to 10 by 5, and the acceleration of the body 2 meter per second square. Displacement, the area under the curve of triangle OAB, half base into height, half into base is 5 and height is 10. The displacement of the object is 25 meter. These are the graph, show the velocity time graph. In the next video, we will discuss about the equation of motion, 3 basic equation of motion and its derivation with the help of these graph. Okay, thank you, bye bye, take care, stay focused on the exam. Thank you.